Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Wrap your leg with cabbage for 1 hour and say goodbye to your joint pain. Cabbage is a nutrient-rich veggie with powerful anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. Low in calories, but full of potassium and vitamin C and K. Yet have you heard about cabbage compresses? This vegetable has been commonly used in the treatment of swollen and bruised skin. It is a rich source of vitamins, iron and potassium, so it is a common part of Western and Eastern cuisines. It detoxifies the blood and the liver, treats arthritis and eliminates blemishes. According to Dr.Axe, while both red and green cabbage are good for you, red cabbage packs a more powerful nutritional profile. For example, red cabbage contains about 85% of the daily vitamin C our bodies need, while the green variety provides 47%. In fact, red cabbage has more vitamin C than oranges, believe it or not. Cabbage contains phytonutrients that may help reduce chronic inflammation. One compound in red cabbage that may be responsible is sulforaphane, found in many cruciferous vegetables, a potent inflammation killer. According to the Arthritis Foundation, eating a diet filled with anthocyanin-rich fruits and vegetables like red cabbage should be a part of an arthritis patient's daily regimen. These type of anti-inflammatory foods may help naturally treat arthritis, inflammation, and arthritic complications. Here is how to use it to relieve joint pain. You will need cabbage, preferably red cabbage, aluminum foil, gauze or bandage, rolling pin, oven. Instructions: take out the outer leaf of the cabbage, wash it well, leave it to dry, and remove the hard stem. Roll a rolling pin over the leaf to release its juice. Next, wrap the cabbage leaf in foil and leave it in the oven for a few minutes to warm it. Place the leaf directly over the affected area, secure it with a bandage or gauze, and keep it for an hour. You can even use a cling wrapper as shown. Repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times daily, each time using a new leaf. The presence of anthocyanins quickly soothes the pain in the joints and fights inflammation. Although the cases of cabbage allergies are very rare, if you notice swelling or itching in the area, remove the compress immediately. If you prefer cold compresses, keep the cabbage leaves in the refrigerator and apply them cold on the painful areas. You will feel the improvement after the first application. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.